The important thing to remember is that this is Mother's Day, so this is her day, and it's a day to show your appreciation for all of the things that she does for you throughout the year. You don't necessarily need to spend a lot of money, and it doesn't need to be perfect. I remember as a kid we used to cover our textbooks in brown paper bags, and then we would scribble all over them, so you can kind of take that idea, encase your table with it. The kids can write messages to mom so that when she sits down she has something to read. And it also gives her an opportunity. She might want to cut those out and save them in a scrapbook. When I do these things, I will literally just go through cabinets and find things that I love and figure out how to use them on a table. The French bistro table was a little bit more simple. I put a couple of antique little books that I had with it. I have a set of little baby spoons that are mine, so just on every napkin I tied some rosemary to the baby spoons, just as a little decorative element. The Woodland one really was using things that I had in my house. The dirt, which is made from ground Oreo cookies. Mushroom caps, which are very easy to have delivered from a grocery store, and you're not going to waste them, so you can then wash them off and use them again for another meal. A lot of what I talk about with home economics is bringing your community back to your house, which is your family. I don't think it's about making it perfect. I think it's about making it for mom. And I think no matter what it looks like, she'll love it.